dribble, passing, and shooting. But as you say, that there are times of break. Cage there, laterals. Move back. Monsieur, run! Monsieur! Nice one. Good job. Good. 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 Run! Balik! Yes! Balik yun! Go here! Make sure you're in front! Bang! I go here! Bang! Bang! Follow! Bang! Bang! Good, that's one. Come on, follow. Good job. Go hunch it. Stay in front. Nice one. Stay in front. Stay in front. Good. Nice one. Good. Good. Nice one. Good job. Good. Good job. Nice. Take your ball. Increase the speed. Good job. Good. Good. I'm giving you the freedom. You know what to do, you know what to do. Okay? It's up to you if you're doing it well or no. Either coach is watching you or not. You are responsible for your own living. Not all the time. Your parents will spoon feed. Time will come. Stop dribbling. Time will come. You will eat in your own. Okay? And then later on, time will come, you will cook your food so that you can eat. Diba? That's the stages. Now,